So something really big's happening. Yesterday, I recorded a video that tells you all about how Microsoft are intending to roll out ChatGPT-like functionality into Bing. This has huge ramifications for anybody that runs a website, because what's going to happen in the future, you'll be able to go into Bing, you'll be able to write in your question, and you'll get a human readable response in Bing. So that means the traffic won't be going to the website creators. It's also going to decimate Google as well, because if Microsoft are given a much better service that gives an answer far quicker, and I believe that's going to happen because I've used ChatGPT myself and I love it, it's going to hammer Google. So Google need to really up their game, and I don't know what they're going to do. But as with everything in these kind of situations, I like to look for opportunities. I noticed an article this morning that said Microsoft are going to invest another $10 billion, yes, that's $billion, into OpenAI, and OpenAI create ChatGPT. So that's on top of the billion they've already invested in 2019. So with all those investments, they're going to end up with 49% shareholding in the company OpenAI, which is incredible. So now I think we can expect ChatGPT functionality baked into products like SharePoint. So for example, I can see a world where you'll have a document library, and you'll be able to click on it and say, summarize this document for me, and you'll get a nice ChatGPT readable summary from it. You might have like online meeting and you get the transcripts. ChatGPT could automatically summarize what was said in the meeting. So Microsoft have got some huge opportunities here, and they've obviously also got Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, so you can expect these type of functionality baked into that. So what are the opportunities here? First off, if we take this through to its natural end, you're going to see their share price is going to explode. So they're going to be a much, much bigger company than they currently are. And I also think because Bing becoming the #1 search engine, what's going to happen is they're going to drive people through to their Microsoft 365 subscriptions. So that's going to mean millions of companies using things like the Power Platform. So the Power Platform is Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and they're no-code environments that allow citizen developers to develop applications on top of things like Microsoft Teams and on top of things like SharePoint. So you can reuse those services and build applications for end users. And the other massive stat that I'd like to mention is Microsoft have predicted over the next 5 years that we're going to need 450 million apps being built for businesses. So, for example, every company's going to want a vacation booking app. So they're going to need people in there, workers, that can come in, use no-code skills, so things like Power Apps and Power Automate, to create business applications for companies. And obviously, if Bing takes off and Microsoft managed to convert those Bing users into Microsoft 365 subscriptions, because one of the options what Microsoft might do in a Microsoft 365 subscription, they might give you the ability to use a more premium version of Bing as part of your subscription. So Microsoft's going to get massive, and you can guarantee their Power Platform is going to get massive. So if you're scared about the future, I guarantee that if you get some Power Platform skills, there's going to be huge opportunities. So if you'd like to click the link in our bio, we have a free Jumpstart course. It's for Power BI. We've got more coming out soon. So if you'd like a little taster into the world of the Power Platform and like to learn some skills, find that link in the bio, and I'll see you inside the community so we can get you some skills. See ya.